Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to plant Irish potatoes in sacks. First, select a durable sack, like a burlap or grow bag, capable of holding at least 15 gallons of soil. Next, choose healthy seed potatoes, roughly the size of a chicken egg, each with at least 2 visible eyes or sprouts. If your seed potatoes are larger, cut them into pieces, making sure each piece has at least 2 eyes, and allow them to cure for 2 to 3 days before planting. Now, let's get those potatoes planted. Begin by folding down the top edges of your chosen sack, creating a more stable and manageable container. Add approximately 6 inches of a good quality, well-draining potting mix or compost to the bottom. Carefully place 3 to 5 seed potato pieces, with their eyes facing upwards, evenly spaced on this soil layer. Then, cover these seed potatoes with another 4 inches of soil, gently patting it down to ensure good contact. As your potato plants begin to grow, it's time for hilling. Once the plants reach about 8 inches in height, add more soil, leaving only the top 4 inches of foliage exposed. Repeat this hilling process as the plants continue to grow, adding soil until your sack is almost completely full. Consistent watering is crucial. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week, keeping the soil moist but never waterlogged. Good drainage is essential to prevent any issues like root rot. Finally, the exciting part, harvesting. Stop watering your potato plants when their foliage starts to yellow and die back, usually 2 to 3 weeks before you plan to harvest. Wait until the foliage has completely died back, which is typically 70 to 100 days after planting. To harvest, simply tip the sack over and carefully sort through the soil to collect your delicious potatoes. After harvesting, cure them in a cool, dark, well-ventilated area for 10 to 14 days before storing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.